Hey all, it's Dr. Evans here from Sugarland Medical Spa. Today I'm going to be talking to you about what's up with this viral sex pillow and then how you could actually improve the performance and relationship in the bedroom without the use of a pillow. Okay, so let's go there. So the whole design of this pillow is to actually be placed along the hip or the back area. This is something that will help elevate the pelvis up so that things such as the clitoris and the G spot can actually be stimulated more. You can actually also have deeper penetration. So that's great and all, but what happens if you're in a place and you don't have the pillow with you? Or what happens if the pillow gets messed up? You know what I mean? So you want to be able to enjoy your partner at multiple positions, okay? Because the worst thing is to actually have the sex pillow and then you can actually only have an orgasm in one position, okay? So the goal of vaginal rejuvenation procedures is not only to help make an area look more beautiful, but it's actually to help enhance the function of the area too. So we have various things that are non-invasive, things such as the Emsella, which helps tighten the pelvic floor. You get a tighter pelvic floor, you can actually enhance your grip during intercourse. What about something like the Emsella 360? That's something that actually helps tighten the vagina. It helps build collagen, increase moisture to the area. So that's something that's really amazing. The other thing that we have is called the O shot. The O shot is something that's placed along the clitoris as well as the G spot. That helps make the whole clitoral complex more sensitive. So again, your person could be a little bit short or a little bit wide or a little bit narrow, but as long as that clitoris is being stimulated, you're feeling your partner even more. We also do invasive things such as the vagina angelo. That's something where a stitch is placed right underneath the clitoris to actually make it so that it's an on-ramp and it creates an angle also to the clitoris. If you create that angle, again, no matter what position that you're in, you're still feeling your partner even more. Or there's also the vaginoplasty procedures that I do. There's also the perineoplasty procedures that we do. The perineoplasty is a procedure that helps tighten the outside so that it doesn't give you that kind of that gaping appearance. It helps improve the overall sensation and function of the area too, because again, it doesn't feel like it's just wide open and it can receive your partner more. The other thing that I do is called the whole vaginoplasty, perineoplasty. That's where the outside is tightened as well as the inside, and the stitches go back pretty deep. So with that, I actually can tighten the canal so that sex is more pleasurable, that's more appealing, you can feel your partner more, your partner feels you more, and basically it's one of the things that really helps with sensation and all those good things that comes along with that. So again, who needs just the sex pillow when you can have so much more with vaginal rejuvenation procedures? So visit us today and book online for your cosmetic consultation visit with me, okay? Take care and look forward to seeing you. Take care.